Hello, Volcano Group.
Hello.
Many volcanoes are extinct and will never erupt. What word is the same as extinct? Alive or dead? Brendan?
Dead.
Dead. Very good. How are volcanoes good? Liam?
They mix in with the soil to help the plants grow better.
Very good. Ash mixes with the soil and is good for helping plants grow. Why are volcanoes so hot? Devin?
Because the inside of the earth is hot.
Yes, the inside of the earth is hot. What is magma? What is magma, Elise? Is magma on the inside or the outside of the volcano? Inside. Very good. What is melted rock from the mantle called after it has erupted from a volcano and reached the surface? Devin?
Lava.
Very good.